In this problem, I need to return an array answer where answer of I is the product of all the elements in the input array nums except for the element at index I. This task is an interesting challenge because it requires careful consideration of time complexity and constraints, specifically that the solution must run in O(n) time complexity and cannot use division operations. These constraints necessitate a thoughtful approach to ensure that the solution is both efficient and meets the problem requirements. Understanding this problem involves breaking down the requirements and formulating a plan that processes the array in a manner that avoids direct division while still computing the desired product. This involves leveraging the properties of multiplication and understanding how to efficiently aggregate products of array elements while excluding specific indices. To illustrate, let's consider an example with an input array nums equals 1, 2, 3, 4. The goal is to create an array answer where each element answer of I represents the product of all elements in nums except for nums of I. In this example, answer of 0 should be the product of 2 times 3 times 4, which is 24. Answer of 1 should be the product of 1 times 3 times 4, which is 12. Answer of 2 should be the product of 1 times 2 times 4, which is 8. And answer of 3 should be the product of 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6. Thus, the resulting answer array should be 24, 12, 8, 6. Achieving this result efficiently without using division is key to solving the problem effectively. To solve this problem, I can use a two-pass approach without division, maintaining an O(n) time complexity. This approach ensures that we only traverse the array a limited number of times, making the solution scalable for larger input sizes. Here's the step-by-step explanation of the solution. First, I initialize the answer array with 1s and two integer variables product1 and product2, both set to 1. These variables will hold the running product from the start and from the end of the nums array respectively. In the first pass, I iterate through nums from left to right. I set answer of I to product1. I then update product1 by multiplying it with nums of I. In the second pass, I iterate through nums from right to left. I multiply answer of I by product2. I then update product2 by multiplying it with nums of I. By doing this, answer of I contains the product of all elements to the left of I after the first pass, and the product of all elements to the right of I after the second pass. To sum up, I solved the problem by creating an array answer and filling it with 1s initially. I then used two passes over the nums array. The first to accumulate the product of all elements to the left of each index, and the second to accumulate the product of all elements to the right of each index. This approach ensures that the final answer of I contains the product of all elements in nums except for nums of I, while maintaining an O(n) time complexity and without using division. And now, let's run this solution to verify that everything works properly before submitting.